Continuing our infertility series part 3 today with the fertility yoga poses for men with me Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga, a certified yoga teacher specialized in pregnancy yoga teacher training. The first asana is lotus pose or padmasana. Sit on the floor with the legs extended outwards. Keep your spine straight. Bend the right leg and slowly bring the right foot on top of the left thigh. The sole of the right foot should face towards the ceiling and the heel should be touching near our abdominal wall. Once you are relaxed, repeat the same steps on the left foot. Once you are done, place your hands on your knees in Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. One can hold this pose as long as the person feels comfortable. Padmasana is quite simple and at the same time it is a complicated pose as it requires a lot of flexibility in our lower body. If you are a beginner and struggle to practice this Padmasana, we have posted a full video along with the warm-up sequences for Padmasana. You can watch the video from the description box below and try it. Lotus pose boosts the muscles of the pelvis and the lower body. This in turn increases fertility in males. Padmasana helps in calming the nervous system and reduces stress, relieving our mind from negative thoughts. Always do remember to practice Padmasana in both the sides. If one foot is on the top for few minutes, then repeat the same with the other foot on the top for another few minutes to balance both legs equally. Once relieving the pose, shake your legs to relieve any tension from your muscles before you move on to the next asana. If you cannot perform Padmasana, one can practice Ardha Padmasana as depicted here. Sit with your legs stretched out, bend one leg and place the foot on the opposite thigh in such a way that the sole of your feet is placed near to your pelvic bone. Now bend the other leg and place the foot under the opposite leg. Keep your spine straight, hands in Jnana Mudra, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Do practice this to get expertise in lotus pose. The next best asana is the cobra pose or the bhujangasana. Lie down flat on your stomach. Place your palms on the sides of your chest. Keep your fingers widely spread while pressing against the floor. And slowly exhale and gently lift your chest up and extend your spine. Press your feet, legs and hips on the ground. Hold this pose from 5 to 15 seconds by breathing normally. Try to look up and focus on your breathing. While doing this cobra pose, expand your chest and your shoulder muscles. Do not drop your head in between your shoulder blades. Bhujangasana increases sperm count and sperm motility by relieving muscle stress in your back and spine. Do repeat this asana 3 to 5 times in a day. Always release the pose slowly and gently and relax for a while for the next asana, that is Dhanurasana. To begin with, lie down flat on your stomach on the mat. Now bend your legs and try to hold your ankles with your hands. Now slowly raise the lower part of the body and your chest away from the floor. Try to inhale as much air as you can to keep your stomach landed on the ground in this asana. One can hold this Dhanurasana or bow pose for 5 to 30 seconds as per their comfort level. This Dhanurasana strengthens the back and abdominal muscles, opens up the chest, neck and shoulders, tones the leg, arm muscles and gives greater flexibility to our back. This asana stimulates the reproductive organs and thus improves our fertility. Dhanurasana is also helpful in reducing stress and anxiety, which is common in couples dealing with infertility issues. Relax for a while and then move on to the next asana, that is the bridge pose. Lie down flat on your back. Bend your legs, placing the feet flat on the ground. Now slowly lift the hips up, rolling the spine off the floor. Lightly squeeze your knees together to keep the knees hip width apart. Press down into your arms and shoulder to lift the chest up. Engage your legs and waist with your hands supported near your waist. Hold this pose for 4 to 8 breaths and focus on your breathing. Setupanda Sarvangasana is a very helpful asana for both male and females to strengthen their pelvic area. Regular practice of bridge pose help increase blood circulation in the pelvic area, thus improving fertility. The next asana is Halasana. Lie down flat on your back with your arms besides you. In a gentle sweep, take your legs over your head till your toes touch the floor behind your head. Make sure that your back is perpendicular to the floor and you can support your back with your hands. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds as per your comfort level, and while releasing, slowly release your legs and come back to the starting position. This is an advanced pose, so beginners, try to bring your feet behind your head or keep it in 90 degree and strengthen your muscles to prepare your body for performing this Halasana. Love pose Halasana is one of the most effective asanas for boosting fertility and sperm quality. Ardha Matsyendrasana, sit up with the legs stretched out, spine straight. Bend the right leg and place it next to the left knee. Bend the left leg and place the heel of the left foot beside your right hip. Place the left hand on the right knee and the right hand behind you. Twist the waist, shoulders and neck in the sequence to the right and look over the right shoulder. Keep your spine erect throughout the pose. Hold and continue with gentle breathings. Do not hold your breath while doing this asana. Keep breathing and feel the twist in your upper trunk. Hold the pose for a minimum of 30 seconds and slowly release and perform the same on the other side. Ardha Matsyendrasana is a deep stretch that helps in cleansing the colon and improving the blood circulation to the reproductive organs. It also improves the sperm quality in men. If you like our content, please do consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we post the next video. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. Do give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Release from the asana and relax your muscles by shaking your legs gently, and then move on to the next asana, that is boat pose or Navasana. Sit with your knees bent, feet on the floor. Place your hands behind your knees. Lift the chest, engaging your back muscles, and slowly lift your feet up to the height of your knee. Toes engaged. Hold it for 10 to 30 seconds. Navasana improves the level of testosterone in males and it boosts the blood flow to the penis. It also builds up the muscles of the pelvic floor and thus improving the male fertility. This pose can also be performed in various ways, like keeping your arms supported in the back with the spine straight. Try to extend the legs straight and hold it by engaging your core muscles. Infertility in men is one of the reasons that stress them out and even cause emotional trouble between the couples, which may also lead to anxiety and depression, and which will increase the condition. So do practice all the asanas mentioned in this video for 3 sets every day for 48 days to bring improvement in your body and in your mind. One can join in our WhatsApp community to discuss about your health, fitness, diet and yoga related queries with me directly. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.